I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Changing your SIM card on Vodafone can be a smooth process if you follow these steps carefully. Step 1. Power off your device. Before you start, make sure to turn off your phone. This prevents any potential damage to the SIM card or device during the swap. Step 2. Locate the SIM card tray. Find the SIM card tray on your device. This is usually located on the side of the phone and may require a SIM eject tool or a paperclip to open. Step 3. Remove the old SIM card. Gently eject the SIM card tray and take out the old SIM card. Make sure to note the orientation of the card for when you insert the new one. Step 4. Insert the new SIM card. Place the new SIM card into the tray, ensuring it is aligned correctly. Push the tray back into the device until it clicks into place. Step 5. Power on your device. Turn your phone back on and wait for it to recognize the new SIM card. You should see signal bars indicating that the SIM is active. If not, check the SIM card placement. Remember, if you encounter any issues, double check the SIM card orientation or ensure that the tray is fully inserted. Happy connecting!